Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to talk about joins in SQL. So SQL joins are one of the most topic that is asked in most of the interviews. So SQL joins are used to query data from two or more tables based on relationship between certain columns in these tables. So let's take one example that there are two tables, table A and table B, where we have one ID column that is acting as a primary key. It means it will be unique in table A. Now in table B, the same ID is acting as a foreign key with column name customer underscore ID. So here both table are having a common set of data in both table, and when we run the join query, in that case we normally bring the common data between these two tables. So in general, join is divided in three forms. The very first one is inner join, second one is outer join, and third one is full join. So let's take some example, and these examples will be showcased by using Venn diagram. So let's get back to the pen. So here I'm going to take two circles, and each of the circle is going to be represented as a table. Draw two table in the form of circle. This is our very first circle, and this will be table A. Let's name it table A. Now we are going to draw another circle here, and it will be table B, and both tables are going to be overlap. Now from here we can see that there is some common area. So as we have just said that two tables are going to have some common data when we are just going to join. So this area that is coming common is going to represent common data between these two tables, and this is called the inner join. Now if we are going to take the common data and the table on our left hand side, then this is going to become left outer join. So let me pick some color and let's drop it here. So this is going to be the left outer join. Now if we are going ahead and going to take the common data and the remaining data from the right table, in that case it is going to be called right outer join. And when we are going to join all data from these two table, then it is going to be called full join. So in coming lecture we will see how to write queries for inner join, for outer join, and for full join. So thanks for watching.